So this is how you can use coupon codes on Temu. Let's get started by opening our Temu app, and then we have to choose an item to buy. You can only redeem coupons if you already have an item in your cart that you're going to check out. So I'm just going to choose this random piece of clothing right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and add it to cart. There we go. And now I'm going to go ahead and go to our cart and then check out. Now, it may ask for your address, so simply just do that. Once you finally choose your address, you can see that there are different payment methods, and you have to scroll down, and then there is a button that says Apply Coupon Code. So simply tap on that, and now you can go ahead and type the coupon code that you have. For example, it's 123. Simply type that and then tap on Apply, and then Temu will go ahead and apply that code for you, and you can use it in order to make your items cheaper. So that's pretty much it. Once again, you have to check out and then apply the coupon code over here, tap in the code and apply. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.